Alright guys, well we're going to do a natural mess test with the Power Max. I'm actually extremely happy with it. The motor is actually healthy, so here you go. There you go guys. Guys, this is the back of the packet. Like I said, this is really nice. I like it. It's one of my favorite ones is that. Like I said, get used to the noise. Like I said. Guys, overall, I'm really satisfied with the unit. It's really good. Haven't had any major issues with it. If you guys are wondering, should you buy the Power Max? I definitely would. It's got a lot of power to it. Guys, this is just actually how the motor sounds, really. Alright guys, well, yeah, one second, guys. I'm gonna plug this into another outlet. Just a minute here. Plugs into the bathroom. Okay, guys, give me 1 second here. Alright guys, I definitely hope you guys drop lots of likes on this video. This thing did really good for the naturally vacuuming, so stay tuned for the next video, which should probably be the Shark Apex.